Hello guys, welcome back to our channel SciTech Hub. In our previous video we showed you how to write while, do while and for loop. In this video we will tell you about functions. So what is function? Function is basically a set of code which will perform some task and may return some value or may not. It is totally depending upon the requirement, and function will not perform until and unless it is invoked or called. Okay, so first let me clear this code. Okay, so first we need to define a function. For that we need to write a keyword function. Okay, function. Now this time we will not define this function within this ready state. I will tell you later why we are not doing so. Okay, so to write function we need a function keyword and followed by the function name. We can define any function name, but give some meaningful name so you can understand for what purpose we are using this function. Okay, so function name, and then parenthesis. Within this parenthesis we can pass some parameters. So if it is multiple parameters, then comma separated. So this is optional parameter. As per the requirement we will pass the parameter. If it is not required we will not pass any parameter. Okay, then curly braces followed by curly braces. Within this curly braces there will be a block of code. Okay, so to invokes, this is how we can define a function in JavaScript. To invoke this function we need to write the function name, this function name, and followed by the parenthesis, function name followed by the parenthesis, and within this parenthesis we need to pass some value. Okay, so if we don't need to pass any parameter within the function name, for that we can do like this, and to invoke this function we don't need to pass the values from here also. Okay, so this is the function definition, and this is how can we invoke a function. Okay, let's have an example. Function, we will, by this function we will print some square of number. Okay, so for that we need I'm going to give a very suitable name. So square we're going to print square from a square print. Okay, so this is a number square print. Okay, and what it will do, we will declare a number and set the number value 2, and we need to take a variable result where we can store the square of this number, right? This number. So square means number multiplied by the same number, right? So now we can bind this data to our result if, right? So result dot inner HTML is equals to result. To invoke this square print function, simple square print followed by the parenthesis and semicolon. Okay, so let's go to the browser. Showing nothing. Yes, cannot set property inner HTML of null at square print. Yes, because we invoke this square print function here. So that means we are again trying to bind some result before loading the result div. So we need to call on this function from this segment. Now let's go to the browser, refresh it. Yes, it is showing 4. Yes, 4. If I change it to 5, the result will be 25. So here we can do some good message. So square of concatenate with number is the result. Let's go to the browser. Square of 5 is 25. So this is the simple example of a function. So let's have another example where we can pass some parameters. So for that, here we can change this var number. We don't need to this number anymore, because we are going to pass this number as a parameter. So here number. So here one thing I want to mention, that this parameter name can be anything except keywords. So you can say simple give but remember one thing, here also you need to change the because we are accessing this number, right, as a parameter. So let's go and let's pass some parameter, say 6. Let's go to the browser. So square of 6 is 36. Okay, 10 is 100. That's it for today. In our next video, we will show you how can we return of some value using the function, and we'll do some more example on this function. Okay, so guys, please hit the like button if you like it. Subscribe our channel. If you are not a subscriber, you can also ask any questions related to JavaScript, or you can give your suggestions, feedback about this tutorial in our comment section. Okay, and please hit the bell icon to get notification for our latest video. Okay, thank you.